Welcome, today in front of me Amazon Fire 7 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should open the notification panel. We just should press our up or down volume button. That doesn't matter. After that we'll see here the bell icon. Just click once on this icon and now we can see that the calls and notifications there will be muted, so this means that we just activate silent mode. And just to turn it off, you should click here once again on this bell icon, and now here we can see the message that notifications and calls they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.